Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ogona. If you know, well, welcome back. Anyways, so what I'm trying to do today is I'm actually trying to do my nails. Oh, I need to bring this down. I'm trying to do my nails. So this will be this will be my first time fully doing my nails. I've attempted to do my nails once. I think I'll put like the picture. I only did on one finger, this finger. So I think I'll put the picture here so you see what I did. I don't know if I have the courage to film like me getting my lashes and hair, which for now I don't even know how it's going to work because I was supposed to do my hair tomorrow, but I got cancelled on. I don't blame her. Like, she said she has something, but I got cancelled on, and I'm just like, wow. Literally the day before, and I was supposed to do my lashes the day after doing my hair, but I'm trying to move it to tomorrow. Oh no, the lip gloss came out. I'm trying to move it to tomorrow, but she hasn't yet like replied me, so it's not looking good. Either that or I'll move it back and then try to do my hair the day after tomorrow. Yeah, so right now I'm just trying to do my nails because there's really no time from now till when I travel. But I don't know if I want to do chroma or if I want to do aura. I feel like I did aura in my practice, but anyways, oh, it's quite sticky. And bro, I'm tired, but let's just get started. Let's just get my light, my UV, whatever. Anyways, come on. Zamina, waka, zamina, zarangaliwa. It's time for Africa. This is so scary. Anyways, I thought it's okay. But anyways, I like how like it has that kind of like stuff already because it makes it stick more. But anyways, I have just reshaped everything, and I am going to put the nails on my finger. Now this is the tricky part because I think when I did this last time, it contributed to it being big. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, I have almost finished. It remains just this finger. There's a little bit of gel there, but anyways, I've not filed it, I've not put top coat, but so far this is how it's looking. You know what, it does not look perfect as long as it looks nice on the camera. That's a lie. I actually want it to look as good as I can, but anyways, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Before, like, I checked YouTube, I thought the only way of putting polygel was by like, I don't know if you guys have seen those videos, but like put it under the nail, like your nail extension, and then like put it on your actual hand. However, I like this way better, but the videos make it look easier than Tisha. Like, it is so sticky and annoying. It was actually an annoying product, but yes, I am finally done. I don't even know what the time is. I'm doing my toes later today. I don't know what's going to happen to my hair or lashes or anything. I can't believe I got cancelled on. I really can't believe it. But anyways, wow, like that's so pretty to me. Let me clean it and like wash my hand. Bye till next time too when I do my, oh my god, do my toes. No! Yo! Wow. What? This thing has been on for hours and I did not know. And I feel so bad because now it's not even, it's not bright. And I need to change the batteries. I feel so bloody bad right now. Anyways, I have batteries in my house, but still. Anyways, the point of this video is to, like, I don't even know what the point is, but like I'm obviously going to start packing because I leave this place for London tomorrow. I'm kind of done my hair. Like, she's done like place and everything. It's just the ends that need to be finished. Well, she said she'll call me when she's ready, but like time is going, so I need to get this on quickly. So these are some stuff I got from Amazon to help packing. So this is like a carry-on bag for airport. Oh, see how it matches. Yeah, I did that on purpose. I'm obsessed with pink bags, you know. And these are packing cubes that I have seen all over TikTok. These aren't from TikTok, so from Amazon. But I just wanted one because I'm very bad at packing as well. I don't know if you noticed, but like my lashes are done, my eyebrows are not yet done. I don't know when I'm going to do that. There are lots of things I need to do. Like everything just feels so last minute, and I'm exhausted. Anyways, it's cute as well. Pink as well. I'm just obsessed with pink. I don't even know where to start from, you guys. I also need my phone for my list as well. But we're going to start with, you guys cannot see it. Let me see if I can show you. Oh my, I really didn't know. I don't think it's everything because these are the packages I have to pack for America. And yeah. Baby. This way. So I'm gonna do the little tops. I don't know if I should show you guys me actually packing because I don't think that's necessary. So I may just show you guys like when I'm half done and show you guys like how I arrange things. And I'll see you guys later. Okay, she just called me back. I actually just removed like 2 lashes from the end because I feel like for me it's a lot. Like I really like the lashes, but I feel like the end is a lot. I may still remove some because I feel like this one is like, I'm very fine with this one, but I feel like this is fuller than this. So I may remove, if I can remove some on top, I will. But I think I need to remove like 2 more from the end. Anyway, she just called me to come and finish my hair. And this is literally all I've done. So I'm putting my little tops in one cube. And yeah, when I come back, I will hopefully go somewhere. I don't know if I'm going to finish my packing before I sleep the next day because I just know I'm not going to sleep before 12 a.m. But I leave tomorrow afternoon, so I may either finish before I sleep or tomorrow morning. Anyways, yeah. What do you mean? I can throw away your phone. I can throw your phone away. We look alike, yeah, that's a lie. Don't see. I'm going to put this. I'm going to. Guys, we're about to leave from London. By we, I mean my brother and I. So this is the outfit. I literally wear this all the time. So yeah, top, trousers, shoes. I started to pack my hair because I'm moving around. My box, carry-on bag. But yeah, like I said, I was going to arrange my own zip. I have a. This is just a drink I'll take on the train, and this I have to return to Kamsi on our way over. And yeah, let's go to London town. Say hi. Huh? You don't have to say hi. Yeah. Jesus. Oh my god. I can't breathe.
A hot day, isn't it?
Yeah. Bro. Blocked off. Yeah, I came here because I want to sleep on the table.
Yeah.
We literally have like some minutes before we arrive in London. It's the fastest I've ever arrived in London with this train. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we are on. Wow, I don't think you guys can hear me. Let me actually try and talk. Every time, this is my third time doing it myself, and in my life, waxing my eyebrows, and anytime I do it, it's painful, but it turns out nice. And I said, hopefully this time is no different to it. Turned out nice, and like I said, I am trying to reduce my voice and whisper because my sister is sleeping and she has to work tomorrow. So I just love when I have nails and I just like this, like it's nice. Yeah. And it's 12 a.m. meaning my brother and I travel this afternoon. Bro, nothing anymore. I'm upset. You guys, you probably can't see a problem like from camera. It looks nice, but on person, like the residue is on my face, and I don't get it. Because skin is supposed to be on the stuff, but it's not there. So it's on my face. I am going to bed. I think it does. I think it will. Also, just to clarify, I have used this wax strips like all my times, and they have worked. It worked. Okay, I just read the instructions again, and they say put it in the opposite way, so that'll be like this and like this. Oh my goodness! I moved my edge. It worked. Just this like here, but this is really good. Wow. It worked. Ow. It still touch my edges though. I'll do some skincare and sleep. Hello, stranger. Hey guys, we are on the way. So I'm at the back. It's there. Yeah. Again, because I'm trying not to shout because there's a car right here before we're on the move. Where we are is far from the airport, so probably going to sleep. He is definitely going to sleep because he gets motion sickness easily. I guess he gets it more than me, but yeah, finally leaving. Put your sweats on.